I'm gonna be honest, I had no idea what this car is. I've never seen one in person. I've never heard of it. So I Google it. I'm like, what is that? I see Toyota MR2 and I see mid-engine, rear-wheel drive. That's interesting. And just like as a joke, I was not gonna buy it. I just went to see it. I just want to see what it is.
Mazda MX-5 or Toyota MR2, normally you have to pick one of the two. You either like the one or you like the other. However, here we like both. And there is this story that maybe you don't know, but we have actually bought in the past, and when I say we, I mean Sergio, a third generation silver Toyota MR2, exactly like this car, with the idea of making a crazy track project with a Honda engine and this and that. We never got to do this because if you know that MX-5 project, like it kind of escalated. However, today we get to live our dreams through other cool owners. This car is 100% one-lap hero spec. It has all the right suspension bits, and of course it has an engine swap. Now, I know what you're thinking. It might not have the correct engine swap, and you can fight in the comments below about this and that. However, for now, I just want you to enjoy what we all love, a cool, simple, driver-oriented JDM roadster.
My name is Alex. We're at the Track Speed workshop, and this is my MR2 Spider, which looks completely stock, but the only stock thing on it is basically the chassis, which is questionable as well. The story is very funny. This car, I had an Audi S4 B8 before that, the supercharged one, which I built to 510 horsepower. And I was very happy with that car. That car got me interested in performance driving, basically. And then I let a friend of mine drive it, which he did not crash. That's not the plot twist. The plot twist is that he liked it so much that he wanted to buy it, and I sold it. And then I was like, I want a lighter, more nimble, agile car. And I was gonna get a Boxster or a Cayman S 987 like everybody else. And I drove a couple, I loved them. He ended up buying one after that, so yeah. But one day as I'm scrolling the Bulgarian car website, I came across this. And I'm gonna be very honest here, I had no idea what this is. I've never seen one in person, I've never heard of a Toyota MR2. So I had to Google it. I was like, this car looks interesting. I Googled it, I saw mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, 1,000 kilos, that should be good. So I was like, as a joke, as a complete joke, I decided to go check out the car. And as you can say, the rest is history, because I went to see it, it was complete crap. Every panel had damage, it had a hole in the roof, which I replaced. It was leaking oil, it would not go into second gear. It had the stock 130 something horsepower engine. And yeah, the moment I drove it, I took one corner in it and I was like, I'm gonna buy this car. I'm gonna spend Boxster amounts of money on it and see if I can make it better. I repainted it, new roof, everything. OZ Ultra Leggera wheels, right now on CRS for the track. And then I engine swapped it to ZZ 6 speeds with LSD. Moroso oil pan, oil cooler upgrade after I blew up my first 2ZZ engine at Ceres. So after that, I upgraded the brakes because brake pads on the stock one are impossible to find for the rear. Performance pads, that is. So this is Lotus Elise brakes front and rear with Ferrodo pads. I upgraded the whole suspension, KWV3, white line anti-roll bars, front and rear, and in the front has adjustable lower control arms, completely monobolt, so no rubber anywhere. It rides horrible, don't do it. It has polyurethane engine mounts, which makes your entire interior vibrate. Also horrible, don't do it. Unless you track it, then do it, but don't do it. I upgraded the cooling, bigger radiator. Basically, the only things that this car does not have right now are aero and... yeah, actually, that's the only thing it probably doesn't have right now. And maybe like 500 horsepower. So maybe that's next. We'll see.